Hi guys, just preempting some questions that I think might come up around the Oberwalia for last night, or in particular for Thursday night. Um, the first couple of questions, 1 to 6, look okay, I think. Looking at question 7, it introduces a little bit of algebra, which might cause some confusion for some people. So I'm going to maybe look at one of these questions. Let's see, is there anyone there that might be particularly challenging? Okay, let's look at this one up here, part 4, and I'll try and answer that there for you, and go through exactly the thought process behind it. I'll just take a quick screenshot here, and I'll just do my writing over at the right hand side of it. So we'll see, we have 3 different angles. So we've this angle here, this angle here, and this angle here, and we also know that they're equal to a straight line. So those 3 angles added together will make that straight line there. And we just have to figure out what x is. So let's see. So we know 7x plus 5 plus 25 plus 8x minus 30 equals a straight line. Okay, and that straight line we know is just 180 degrees. So that would be my thought put down onto into numbers, I suppose, first of all, and then written out as an equation. And now I'm going to try and add the x's together and the numbers together and try and solve for x. So 7x plus 8x is 15x. Add together my numbers, so 5 and 25 is 35. Sorry, it's 30 minus 30 leaves me with 0 actually here, is equal to 180. Okay, so far I have 15x equals 180. If there was a case that there was a number here, you'd obviously bring this across to help you just keep the numbers at one side and the variables at the other side. But right now we just have 15x equals 180. So x is going to be equal to 180 divided by 15. So x is going to be equal to 12 for this question. Okay, so that would be how you do that part 4 that question. Okay, because everything else should be should kind of follow similar enough structure to that. For question 8, you get x and y. So to solve for x and y in each of these, again we try and figure out if we could do anything first of all. So in this case, you try and just make this top bit an equation first of all. So we know that this 90 degree angle and my 4x is equal to a straight line. So that means that 4x must be a right angle as well. So 4x must equal 90 degrees as well. That means x would equal to 15. And in that case, you could try and, if x is equal to 15, then you try and find out what 6x is here. And then after that, you try and solve for y. Okay, so I'm going to leave that with you and see how you get on with that. And I can't see that last part, but I'm sure it's something similar as well. I'm going to leave that video there now with you guys. Again, any questions, just put it up onto Google Classroom.